We did a lot to this house, but there are 3 moves that completely changed it. Let me show you. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is it is wide open. The kitchen, the living room, it's all one big space, and it was not built like this. This model actually had a bearing wall that ran right through the middle. It closed off the kitchen on one side, there was a small living room on the other side. So we pulled the wall, we engineered a beam, and we opened the whole floor plan up. It's probably the single biggest impact you can make on a small house. This place is only 900 square feet, and when you've got walls chopping it up, it feels like 600. Opened up, suddenly this place feels like 1,100 square feet. So this room used to be a screen porch, slab on grade, open to the outside, about 140 square feet. We built a sleeper floor system on the slab to bring the floor flush with the rest of the house, framed in the exterior walls, insulated them, sided the exterior, added windows and a patio door. It's now a fully finished room. The whole thing sits under the existing roof line, and honestly, we can't figure out why the original builder didn't just build it this way from the start. Spent about $6,400 to do it. I can break down the cost in short for you guys if you want to see it. And this room is actually what made our next move possible. So this is where the dining room used to be. We relocated that dining room off of the kitchen with the addition we put on. Vanity's going over here. Walk-in shower and toilet are behind me. And we actually got to sneak in an additional closet behind this wall here. Most of the houses in this community are a 2-bed, 2-bath. This one was a 2-bed, 1-bath. So right out the gate, you're at a disadvantage when it comes time to sell. Needed a way to get this house to a 2-2 in order to compete with everything else on the market. Here's how we did it. Once we added that room off the back, we were able to move the dining room out there, right off the kitchen, but it's actually a much better spot for it anyway. In the space the old dining room occupied, it was perfect footprint for a bathroom and an additional closet. The existing bathroom was already right next to the primary bedroom. So all we had to do was reconfigure the doorway, which you can see behind me, and that became the master ensuite. So now you've got a primary bedroom with its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. It's now a real master suite. Most of these models weren't built with a walk-in closet. So when someone's shopping in this neighborhood and they walk into this room, it stops them. Not much going on in this room just yet. This is going to be our primary bathroom. Our mold-resistant drywall is installed on the walls. We have our foam board installed in the shower enclosure, tub set, hardy backers on the floors, our plumbing's roughed in. So this is the second bedroom. It's a good sized room, nothing earth-shattering going on in here. Needs a fresh coat of paint, some moldings, new shelving in the closet, and this one's good to go. So I'm standing in the garage now. As you can tell, we do actually spend a good bit of money in the garages. So we've already tape coated all the walls, cleaned the place out. We will do an epoxy coat on the floors. We'll paint the walls the same color as the rest of the room. We'll install some base trim and whatnot to clean it up. But these houses are only 1,200 square feet. There's not a ton of closet space. People are going to be using this garage for storage, to do their laundry. They're probably not going to park a car in here. So we try and make it as nice as we can, and it served us well. So here's where we're at. We got 2 projects going on right now. First one's only a few streets over. Same community, same type of deal. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it somewhere. This one, we still got cabinets, flooring, trim, paint, probably another month or so worth of work going on here. I'm going to show you both of them start to finish. Every step, every cost, every decision. When we sell, if we decide to keep one as a rental, I'll show you the real P&L. What we made, what we spent, what we do differently. That's what I'm going for with this channel. Real projects, real numbers. If you're into flipping, investing, you just like watching houses get torn apart and put back together, follow along. There's a lot more coming.